friends. Energized and energetic with lots of positive vibes. Be energetic always. How are you? Fantastic, excellent, superb, awesome. You must be. This for students as well as for parents. As a student, are you always thinking of that I am not performing well, I am below performing, I am always behind the class, not performing in the exams good? Are you thinking of that? And are you wishing to improve your performance in the class from below average or zero to a super achiever? Then this video is for you. Please go through the video till the end, because today we'll discuss some steps which will help you to improve. And you know, improvement is gradual. It is not that today you implement these steps and you will improve tomorrow. No, consistent effort and believing yourself. Yes, I can improve. So welcome to my channel @Pratap Harichandra. In the bucket, the Sixth Sense PH. Sixth Sense PH is the organization founded by me, where we develop students holistically. Holistically means we integrate artificial intelligence, sixth sense, learning, health, and spirituality. Everything is implemented so that they find their best career options to live a rich and purposeful life. This is the requirement. What do you need in life? You need a rich and purposeful life. You have come to this world to do something, to give something, because when you go from this world, you take nothing. You just come here to give. That is the concept of the sixth sense. Here, today you will discuss some steps so that you can become a super achiever. Wherever you are state now, whatever your state right now, in academics, and also if you are thinking of to other extracurricular activities you want to improve, these steps can also help you. So first step is your adapt a growth mindset. There is a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. Fixed mindset means always you tell yourself, believe yourself that I cannot do because I am not intelligent, I am not a good performer, I can do this, I cannot do this. These are called fixed mindset. But growth mindset is what? Suppose you fail in some of the activities or in some of the exams. Then you analyze, why did I fail? Learn from there, and you take the repercussions. That whatever you learn from there, you apply in your next exam and you performed well. That is called growth mindset. That means you are believing yourself that I can improve with my efforts. You are putting your efforts consciously, knowingly that, very knowingly that, yes, I am putting these efforts so that I am improving in my next step. Right? This is called growth mindset. So the gist is believe in growth and challenges is equal to opportunities. Life में challenges आएगा. When as a students, challenges are to perform well academically. This is the challenge for you. If you are not performing as per your potential, every student has the potential to perform. You have to believe that I have the potential, I can improve. Next step, second step, is set clear goals. See, if you are not setting your goals, no, long-term goals, what you want to do, what you want to achieve, you have a long-term goal. Then you break down into small goals. When you set your goals, suppose you are in class, whatever your class, suppose let us take an example. You are in class 10. So your short-term goal is, I have to perform well in my final exam. I want to bring 92%, that should be fixed one, 92% in my final exam. And your long-term goal, you want to achieve, that may be, I will be helping the society by achieving, by becoming a doctor or by becoming a lawyer. How you are going to help the society, that should be your aim. It is not always me. First, you feel yourself, then the second step is to help the society. That is a big aim. Or you may become an engineer, computer science engineer. I want to work in Google and I'll be based in USA. This type. Set your big goals, then break down into small goals. Once you have the goals, you have the direction. You want to reach there. If you don't have the goals, you are nowhere. You will be going here, there, somewhere else. You don't know. So always be curious, be hungry, and your goals can be refined. Once you go further, your goals can be refined. It is not that it is fixed, right? Third step, develop effective study technique or study habits. Study habits, first thing is that always I tell students, please set your routine as per your requirements or as per your capabilities, as per your times available. Anything that you want to do, suppose routine means your play time should be mentioned, your mobile time must be mentioned, if you're watching TV time should be mentioned. Those things has to be planned in an effective way. You can take the help of a coach or a guru or your parents. You can take the help of them and set clear study habits, and this will help you to achieve what you want in your academics. And because this is a time management, you are managing your time. And also remember, the subject in which you are a little bit poor, that means you are a little bit down, focus should be more on that subject, right? Time management, this all time management is called success, and these are called active learning. I have already made a video on the study techniques that you can watch. Active learning means there are 4 or 5 steps I have explained to you. Please go through that video. I think that last video I made on that. Fourth step is memory mastery technique. Yes, study also technique. Remember, there are 3 things that I tell my students. Once you are reading means, please go on writing whatever you read. And the steps are focus. Whatever you are reading or studying, focus, understand, and practice. These are the 3 steps. It helps students. Next step is memory mastery technique. Already I have made active learning, memory mastery. In that memory mastery, memory techniques, that video name is last video, memory techniques. There I have explained active learning and memory mastery techniques. There one of the game changer memory mastery is space repetitions. That means whatever you are studying today, in the third day or second day, you have to also go through that. You may change the topic for the present day, but whatever you have studied in the last day, you have to go through that also. Space repetition, that is called space repetition, and this is one of the game changer in memory mastery. Fifth is focus on health and well-being, because healthy body is healthy mind, and it helps you to perform well academically, to remember things, to memorize some things, memorize the things, isn't it? And for healthy and wellness is your have good diet. Please take home foods. Don't prefer outside food. I would request parents also, please focus on home food. And your exercise, and have a good sleep in night. 7 hours of good sleep is required. Then it is your stay motivated. Always stay motivated. Whatever it is coming to you, suppose there is a challenge, negative challenge, keep yourself motivated. Yes, okay, challenge has come. I have to sit and find out what is the way that I can find a way to overcome those things. And also, whenever you win some small wins, you should celebrate yourself. You should praise yourself. Yes, I have done this. I can do bigger one also. This is a small one. I can do the next step. The bigger one also I can do. Appreciate yourself so that you get motivated. So these are the some steps you can also add from the social media, other medias. As per me, this can help you to become a super achiever. Becoming a super achiever is not about being perfect in everything. It is about consistently working and improving, consistently improving yourself. Every day is a new day for you, and you are improving something else for you. This is a super achiever. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and I would request the feedbacks how I represented how was my content. And I would request you to go through these steps, be consistent, and become best version of yourself. Okay, happy learning, be a super achiever. All the love, all the power.